In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix bad gateway 502 error from Cloudflare. If you've encountered this frustrating error, you know how it can disrupt your website's functionality and leave visitors unable to access your content. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to troubleshoot and resolve the issue step by step. We'll cover everything from checking your DNS settings to ensuring your SSL TLS configuration is correct. Let's dive in and get your site back up and running smoothly. To start, log in to the Cloudflare website and sign into your account. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard, which displays all the domains you've added to Cloudflare. Select the domain that is currently showing the 502 error. This will take you to that domain's specific settings page. Next, open the Overview tab for the selected domain. Here, Cloudflare provides a summary of your site's status. Pay close attention to any warnings, such as cannot reach origin or host unreachable. These messages can give you an initial clue about what might be causing the issue. Now, head over to the DNS section. Open the Records tab, where you'll find all your domain's DNS entries. Confirm that your A record or CNAME points to the correct server IP address. If your hosting provider recently changed your server's IP address, or if you migrated to a new server, you'll need to update this record accordingly. Make sure the orange cloud icon next to your DNS record is enabled. This ensures that traffic is being proxied through Cloudflare, which is essential for its services to function properly. Next, go to the Security section and open the Firewall tab. Review your firewall rules carefully. Sometimes, overly strict rules can block not only malicious traffic but also legitimate requests, which might be causing the 502 error. If you find any rule that could be blocking Cloudflare or legitimate traffic, temporarily disable or adjust it. Once you've made the changes, test your website to see if the adjustments resolve the issue. Still in the Security section, open the Rate Limiting settings. Check whether you're unintentionally throttling or blocking requests to your backend server. If you find any suspicious rules, pause them or raise the thresholds temporarily while testing your site's functionality. Now return to the Overview tab and check if Under Attack mode is enabled. While this mode is useful for mitigating DDoS attacks, it can sometimes interfere with legitimate traffic and lead to errors. If it's enabled, turn it off temporarily and refresh your site to see if this resolves the issue. For further troubleshooting, scroll down to the Diagnostic Center and run the Check Site Availability tool. This tool helps identify whether the issue lies with your server or Cloudflare's network. Next, open the Caching section and click on Purge Everything. This will clear Cloudflare's cache and force it to fetch a fresh copy of your site from the origin server. Wait a moment for the process to complete, then reload your site to see if the problem has been resolved. After that, go to the SSL TLS section and open the Overview tab. Verify that the SSL TLS mode matches your server's configuration. If your origin server supports HTTPS with a valid SSL certificate, set the mode to Full or Full Strict. Use Flexible mode only if your origin server does not support HTTPS. Adjusting this setting ensures that Cloudflare communicates with your server in a way that won't trigger errors. Once you've selected the correct mode, test your site again. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the cause of the 502 bad gateway error. Remember to test your site after making changes to confirm that the issue is resolved. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.